Today, I'll show you how to easily create a Sendwave account to send and receive money internationally. First, download the Sendwave app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app. Tap the sign up on the welcome screen. You'll be asked to enter your full name, email address, and phone number. Make sure it's your active number because you'll receive a verification code. Next, enter the verification code sent to your phone. This confirms your number. Then your account will be instantly created. Once you land on the Sendwave dashboard, it's clean and easy to use. Here's what you'll see. The Home tab. This is where you can enter the recipient's details, select their country, and send money instantly. Recipients. Easily manage saved contacts, edit, delete, or add new recipients for quick future transfers. History. Check your past transfers, their status, and exact amounts, perfect for tracking activity or downloading recipients. Profile or settings. This is where you update your info, change your password, or manage your security settings like 2FA. Then help and support. Access live chat and FAQs if you need help with anything in the app. Once verified, you're all set. You can now send money to friends and family in supported countries or receive funds directly into your Sendwave account.